I am Stéphanie Lejeune. I am a pediatric pulmonologist and allergologist, and I am currently working on my PhD project with funding from the ICID Foundation at the Center of Infection and Immunity of Lille. This translational research project aims at studying the immune responses against rhinovirus in epithelial cells in a newborn and its involvement in the development of asthma. Rhinoviruses are frequent viruses. They are commonly involved in upper airway infection in adults, such as colds. And in children, they are involved in lower respiratory tract infection, frequently causing more severe disease and hospitalizations. Epithelial cells, which are the cells lining the airway, are frequently involved in the defense against rhinovirus, as they are the first target of the viruses. These cells develop immune innate responses, and they are immature in young children. Many clinical studies, which are studies in patients, show that there is a link between a rhinovirus infection in young children and the development of the most frequent disease in children, which is asthma. Asthma is a disease characterized by both bronchial inflammation and constriction. Our hypothesis is that the viral infection in young children interacts with immature innate immune responses and is responsible for the development of asthma later on. So to study the defenses against this infection, we will first study this infection in an animal model. We will infect young mice with a rhinovirus by nasal route, and we will analyze the development of the defenses in the mice. Then we will let the mice grow old, and we will analyze the development of asthma when they grow adult. And we have included 147 children in 8 hospital centers in the region, hospitalized for asthma attack and frequently infected with a rhinovirus infection. We have collected blood samples and airway secretions, and we have stored them. And now we are analyzing them and analyzing the immune responses against rhinovirus. To measure the impact of these factors, we will follow the children up to the age of 7 and some of them up to the age of 17. So to conclude, we hope that this project will help find new biomarkers in young asthmatic, and we hope that we will find new treatment strategies